Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam, Mission Mangalam.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Galaxy lecture.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Indian Space Research Organization. This is the Rakhtesa of grade 7. I am first rocket launched in ISRO. My rocket name is Naikapacha. Naikapacha was launched in 1963, November 21, by Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. My rocket was launched in the Tambai Equator Rocket Launching Station in Kerala. The rocket made the beginning of the research in India. Yes, the rocket was successfully reached to space in 1963 November 21. The rocket reached to the 208 kilometers. Later, second rocket was launched.
Good morning, sir. I am Piyut Mishika from grade 6. I am the second ISRO rocket launcher, Automated Satellite Launch Vehicle, ASL. The Automated Satellite Launch Vehicle, also known as ASL. It's launched on 24th March 1987. This project was started by India during early 1980s to develop technology need for a payload to be placed into a geostationary orbit. The ASLV was a 5-stages vehicle. The capacity of ASLV was approximately 150 kg, 330 IBM with 47 degrees inclination. And later, third rocket was launched.
Good morning, sir. This is Kirtana from class 6. I am the third ISRO rocket launcher. Small Satellite Launch Vehicle (SSLV), which was launched on August 17, 2024 in Satish Dhawan Space Center at 9:19 am by Indian Space Research Organization, and it got succeeded. After launching of SSLV, information is gathered about satellites and other parameters, and information is gathered about injection conditions such as its altitude and space. Later, fourth rocket was launched.
Good morning, sir. This is G. Vaishnavi from class 6. I am the fourth ISRO rocket launcher. Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. The Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle was launched on 15th February 2022, and they took 36 satellites and by the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO, and later fifth rocket was launched.
Good morning, sir. My name is Shukarthya from class 5. Today my topic is about GSLV rocket. GSLV rocket was the fifth rocket from ISRO. GSLV rocket full form was General Satellite Launch Vehicles. GSLV has been used for 15 launches since 2001. First GSLV took place in August 18, 2001 in the center of Sriharikota. Later, you can see the sixth rocket.
Good morning, sir. This is Radhika from class 6. Is the ISRO rocket launch. The full form of ISRO is Indian Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. The full form of GSLV is General Satellite Launch Vehicle. Chandrayaan is a lunar exploration mission by the Indian Space Research Organization. It studies the moon, geology, mineralogy, and exosphere. Chandrayaan 3 was launched on July 14, 2024 from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Later, the future rocket is going to be launched.
Good morning, sir. My name is G. Babishya from grade 6. I am 7th future rocket launcher. The Human Rated Rocket Launch Vehicle (HRLV)
is a modified version of LVM-3 launch vehicle, which is being developed by ISRO. ISRO Chairman S. Somnath Garu has announced a revised timeline, pushing the launch to 2026. The service module is developed and designed by Liquid Propulsion System Centers. Gaganyaan machine would create 15,000 employment opportunities. Gaganyaan machine HRMP also include a crew escape system, CES powered by solid motors. Thank you.
Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है मुश्किल पास है फिर भी
Student of grade 5 hereby to explain about the Indian Space Research Organization. Now I would like to explain about the rockets of ISRO. The first rocket, Nike Apache, was launched in the year 1963 on November 21st. The second rocket, ASLV, known as Advanced Satellite Launch Vehicle, was launched in the year 1984 on March 24th. The third rocket, SSLV, known as Small Satellite Launch Vehicle, was launched in the year 2024, August 16th. The fourth rocket, PSLV, known as Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, was launched in the year 1993, September. The fifth rocket, GSLV, known as General Satellite Launch Vehicle, was launched in the year 2001 on April 18th. The sixth rocket, GSLV-3, known as General Satellite Launch Vehicle, was launched in the year 2014, December 18th. The future rocket was seventh rocket, HRLV, known as Human Rated Launch Vehicle, will be launched in the year 2021 and 2023. This event of our knowledge was 2024. We are blessed to have an opportunity in creating our Daffodil School rocket under the student of our in charge Miss Anisha Ma'am and her supportive team members. The name of the rocket is Daffodil Space Mission DSM. Now, as so to update you about the universe, I introduce my co-participant Aradhya to talk about the universe.
Namaste sir, this is Senior Charadhya of grade 6 is inviting you to watch our home of universe. Universe is a boundless expanse of space in which all matter like galaxies, stars, planets, satellites, asteroids and etc. exist. Galaxies are a group of millions of stars. Did you know if there are only some stars and create patterns? It is called as constellations. Constellations are recognizable patterns in the sky made by stars. These patterns constellations show about mythological figures and animals. The famous constellation is the Great Constellation. It is also believed that there are many galaxies, not only one or two, there are many. It is believed from a theory, Big Bang. I'm going to let you know more about solar system. So I'm giving this to my co-participant, L9 of grade 7.
To explain about the solar system. The solar system is a gravitationally bound system of Sun and the objects around it. The solar system consists of Sun, planets, and 5 officially recognized dwarf planets, along with hundreds of moons and thousands of stars and asteroids. First comes the Sun. The Sun is the star at the center of the solar system. The Sun is 4.50 billion years old. The Sun is also called with various names such as Helios, given the name from the ancient Greek god Helios. Lent his name to many sun-related terms such as heliosphere and helioscope. I would like to tell you more about the planets with my co-partner Chinmay.
Namaste sir, this is Chinmay of grade 7 is here to explain about Mercury. Mercury is the first and eventually the smallest planet in the sky. But despite being small, it
largest planet in our solar system. As it takes only 88 days to complete one revolution around the sun.
Venus is the second planet from the Sun and the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus is 4.603 billion years old and is one of the planets with no moons at all, but does have a quasi-satellite known as Zeus. It shares the same mass and size with its orbital neighbor, Earth.
Earth is the only planet in the entire universe that sustains life and ecosystem. It is the third closest planet to the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system.
And next is Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. The surface of the Mars is
Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has more than 1,200 Earths and it has billions of moons and a magnetic field.
After Jupiter comes Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter and is in the 6th place from the Sun. The Saturn is 4.503 billion years old and it is a gas giant with nearly a radius of 9 times of the size of Earth and 95 times more massive than the Earth. It has 146 moons.
One day on Uranus lasts just over 17 hours. Uranus is made up of water, methane and ammonia liquids.
The last but not least, Neptune. The Neptune is the farthest recognized planet and is in the 8th position from the Sun. It is 4.603 billion years old and it has 16 moons. William Lassell discovered the first and largest moon, the Triton. Thank you.
As the Venus world can't be shown its streets or from the tradition of formed to keep it purely. The national name is because of the Roman name is Spheggia. Because of this achievement, India became the first nation to land on the south pole of the moon and the fourth country to establish of space. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for listening.
The Moon is Earth's only the natural satellite and the fifth largest natural satellite in the solar system. It's about a quarter of the size of Earth. Orbit. The Moon's orbits Earth in a slightly elliptical shape. Rotation. The Moon and Earth are tidally locked, meaning they rotate in sync so that we can see only one side of the Moon. Composition. The Moon is made of 3 minerals like iron, magnesium and silicon. Temperature. The Moon's temperature at night 153 degrees Celsius and 123 degrees